Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today we are here to celebrate my new hero. And he told me I could butcher his name, but I'm not even going to try to attempt it. Um, so this is my new hero. He has a Patreon to the book project that I'm working on. But what's even more important is that apparently he lives in Denmark. And the thing about living in Denmark, which is important, is it's close to Stockholm, which is where the fabric convention was held recently, the Microsoft Fabric convention. So he was able to attend that apparently, and he was able to go to the FabCon Europe sticker station. And guess what? Guess what? So can kind of see it right there, but you go back here. So there it is. There is the banana pickle mask sticker. It made its way to FabCon, despite winning, the popular vote, and then being Microsoft basically saying, nope, it didn't win, even though it was by far the most popular sticker that was voted out there, that didn't cheat. I might add. And even with the one that did cheat, we still had more votes. So it was the one and only true winning sticker for the sticker challenge. And it's kind of funny. They just had a Fabric super user, um, you know, session today, like 1 hour session day, and they were talking about FabCon and the sticker challenge and all this. And I didn't say a word. I didn't say a word. But then shortly after that, I got this message from I'm just gonna butcher his name, but Ask. And he sent me these photos, and I was just over the moon. So it made its way to FabricCon. I wish I could have been there myself. I almost pulled that trigger, but it was overlapping in something else that I committed to a long time ago, and I just didn't feel right about breaking my commitment. So maybe next year, or maybe the next Microsoft convention, Fabric convention that's held in the States, maybe I'll make it, and I still have 100 of these things. No one sent me a self-addressed stamped envelope yet, so send me one. The PO boxes will be in the description of this video, and you can get your very own sticker if you weren't able to get to FabCon and get. Looks like there are only 2 left there. So that's it. That's all I have for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.